I'm going to show you IIMU. There are a lot of emotions behind. It was all a mess. My hostel room at IIM Udaipur.
Could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jen. So you are traveling with me today. So I have come here for my convocation. It was postponed because of the coronavirus. It's 3:30 a.m. I've been traveling all day and partying and all of that. So dancing. This is how a tired soul sounds like. But I want to make this video before I sleep. Show you the room. A lot of activities that are planned tomorrow. I might not be able to record the official event obviously because capture pictures and attach them, so talk about it to give you all the details. I'm going to show you IIMU, see it my style.
Stardust, same world but without us.
So guys, there is a lot of this is an emotional story. There are a lot of emotions behind. So I had planned my travel to IIM Udaipur last year, this time exactly a day before I was scheduled to come here. COVID second wave started rapidly spreading. I had to cancel my tickets the last moment and I couldn't come, and after that things just went haywire. It was all a mess, and there are a lot of tragedies which happened while I was coming. I missed my bus, I got late and all of that, but I made sure that I am here today. And if I'm here, how can I not show you my hostel, my room, and all the activities right from the convocation. You are going to watch this with me, you are going to live this with me, and you are going to be in IIM Udaipur with me through this camera. Jen Stories is in IIM Udaipur. So this is me, and this is my hostel room, which you are going to see now with me. Okay, so when I enter, this is the view of the room basically, and now as you can make out, the room has a single bed. Okay, now I'll go closer to it. It has a single bed with a mattress on it, which is a good mattress. Again, it's a good one. It's like a thick good mattress. Okay, and it has a bed sheet cover on this. It has a pillow and a pillow cover also. This is mine, so ignore that, and it's a good one. Then we have a table. Okay, and this is my stuff on it. So there's just one good table for you to study, work on your laptop or whatever you want to do, and then there's this one reclining chair for you to sit on while you're working, and then you have this shelf and cupboard for your stuff to be kept in. I think this is more than sufficient for one person staying in this room. And then I'll open this. Okay, so this is how the cupboard is going to be. And we have this one large full-size mirror wherein you can see what you're wearing, and air conditioner that is here, that is like very important, of course, and there is a fan also, and that's it. And then there's a window from where you can see the buildings outside. So these are all hostel blocks which you can see. Okay, and it will be better in the day. I'll show it to you tomorrow morning. So yeah, this is all that the room has. It's simple, sweet, convenient. It has all the basic amenities that you require to study, because it's an IIM, of course. And then this is the door, which has the hanger, and you open the door and you go out. and